Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens quad break number 158 of 1314 UD Ultimate. Last thing in break was the Edmonton Oilers on January 8th at 7:32 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. To our current date and time, right click, refresh. It's currently Friday, January 8th at 11:31 p.m. Eastern Time. We are broadcasting live on Breakers there. And for anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, really appreciate if you did. Register account there, and we will have some more breaks posted the next, probably sometime tomorrow there. Break 158. And our serial numbers tonight are NE 221154423, 3194, 4364, and 3427. So 4423. 3194, 4364, or 4364, and 3427. Sealed. So I'll turn you guys back around here. Yeah, those redemptions, eh, Rob? $44.23. Oh, kind of caught the corner of that pack there. Oversized decoy. So we got base card of Denny Malkin out of $4.99 for the Penguins. So it's a ultimate rookie of Spencer Abbott, $4.99 for the Leafs. From your case that you busted there before, eh? And we got a 13-14 Ultimate Sigs of Tyler Toffoli going out to the LA Kings. And a dual Ultimate jersey of Drew Doughty going out to the LA Kings also. Drew Doughty. Oh man, I wish the lighting was a little bit better here. Might just have to buy like a big lamp or something to try to brighten this room up a bit. $31.94. Yeah, like Bray doesn't have anything out yet, especially cards anyways. So we got Wayne Gretzky, $4.99 for the Oilers. Next one's the Ultimate Rookie of Carl Soderberg, and $4.99 for the Boston Bruins. And the Ultimate Rookie Patch Auto for the Edmonton Oilers of Mark Arcabello, number 13 of 25. Mark Arcabello going out to Edmonton. And a dual jersey of John Gibson for the Anaheim Ducks. John Gibson. And $43.64. So we got base card of Mira Lemieux out of $4.99 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Got the Ultimate Rookie of Zach Redmond out of $4.99 for the Winnipeg Jets. And a update Ultimate Sigs. Can't go a case without Mr. Jordan Eberle. Like I think he's almost a guarantee in every case. Him or Larson or Markstrom. And a ultimate dual jersey of Oli Mata. Going out to the Pittsburgh Penguins. And our fourth and final box, 34-27. So we got base card of Jimmy Howard at a $4.99 for the Detroit Red Wings. Ultimate rookie of JT Miller, 47, $4.99 for the New York Rangers. And the ultimate rookie autograph of Danny DeKeyser, number 48 of $2.99 for Detroit. Danny DeKeyser. And finishing up with a ultimate dual jersey of Dustin Brown for the LA Kings. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So no multi-team randoms. So tomorrow we got 2 boxes of 14-15 Ultimate and first box of 13-14 Cup out of a new case there.